在外国的垃圾桶里都能找到什么？接下来我们跟着拾荒者麦克的脚步去寻找宝藏。
Scavengers. I think I seen something chilling somewhere. Yep, there it is. Look at that. The big old critter cage. Anyways. Good morning, scavengers. What is that? Looks like a that looks like a big old dog crate, huh? Yeah, look at all those zip ties. Somebody was crazy up in their kennel. I think they had a monster in there. I mean, look at this thing. I don't know. It was wild. Let's get it. I see some ceiling fans back here behind this truck, guys. Oh, just one. Not some, just one. Whoa, oh. Sorry, y'all. It's still a little early. I got my morning voice on. There was something by this box of stuff. We got an ab rocker and an iron gem. Anybody ever use one of these? Do they work? I need to work on my 6-pack. What the heck is that? Oh, that looks like a 3D printer or something. It's something. There's the little stepper motors and a desktop. Yep, desktop 3D printer. It's so covered in dust though. That's cool. I've never found one of those before. It's an easy up back there chilling. Ain't chilling for long, cause I'm all get it. Anything cooking in the cooler? Nope. Ooh, check all this out, y'all. We got a Blu-ray player here. Old school. At least it looks that way. It's got fuses in it. I ain't never seen that before. And a jet pack, Verizon jet pack. Some Samsung speakers, tower speakers. What's this? It's an Android TV player. And another speaker tower. And this must, what is this? Oh, that's a server case. There's a Samsung sub. Oh yeah, look over here. Oops. Shh, be quiet. Yeah, that's one of those server cases, I think. SKB. Not like KB Toy Store, which I actually used to work at. More speakers and wires and electrical jargon. Apple TV. Ooh. That's some good home decor right there. That's pretty. It's for your flowers. Some coolers. Glass jars. We'll leave that open. Maybe somebody grab those. But I'll take these. Uh-oh, check that out. It's a little kid's stroller. It looked like they may have used it for their pooches, though. It's got a cushion in it. There's a big, tall, skinny water heater. Not my favorite types of water heaters, but it's still a water heater. Must be for a little closet, a tight space of sorts. Something interesting looking. What is this? A Danby. I think that's a humidifier or a dehumidifier. You know, the one that's lack of humidity. What do we have here on the curb? It's a drink cooler. It ain't cooling no more. Wow, y'all, check out that chair. That's pretty cool, huh? The Like an old barber chair or something. Although I feel like a barber's chair would probably be significantly heavier than this. But it's still a cool chair nonetheless. The scientist's chair. What the heck is that? Oh, I think that's for your dome. Yeah, a hair dryer for your cranium. Alright, man, we're gonna be doing perms in no time. Come on down to Mike's and... Ew! There's some nails. Somebody was probably... Hey, look at that, I got a chair and a hair dome. Cool. Dude, check that out. The wall tool's on the curb.